how to turn on or turn off commit handwritten text immediately for Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on keyboard list and default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, we scroll down. In here, tap on write in text fields and then scroll down to the bottom. Finally, tap on commit handwritten text immediately. Tap on the toggle button to turn this off or switch this on. And here say commit the words immediately as you write. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.